The Vale of Leven Bowling Club. Once a sleepy village by the River Leven, the population of Alexandria expanded with the introduction of the textile industry in the 1800s. By 1867, there were over 9,000 people living in the Vale of Leven, and the Alexandria Bowling Club, as it was originally called, were getting a fine green formed at the north end of the village. Although the Vale Bowling Club was formed in 1867, the official opening was on the first Saturday in June 1868 by Alexander Smollett. And these are the first ever bowls to be won in the first championship, and they're won by James Mushet, and they're actually stamped 1868 in the top here. By the turn of the century, the club was referred to as the Vale of Leven Bowling Club. By 1906, the membership was restricted to 80, so the club converted two adjacent tennis courts into a second green, the current East Green. The original clubhouse sat between Middleton Street and the West Green. By 1955, plans were put in place for a much bigger clubhouse, and in 1956 it was finished. It originally sported a viewing balcony, but this was eventually taken down. In the heart of the Vale for over 150 years, the Vale of Leven Bowling Club is still very active to this day, and the silverware in the Green Oak Bar is very impressive.